Today we're building motion trails that suggest movement. Start by selecting your subject and duplicating it multiple times. On each duplicate, move it slightly backward to form a sequence. Apply motion blur individually to each layer, increasing blur the farther back it goes. Change blending modes between lighten and normal to see what blends best with your background. Add a gradient behind the motion path to emphasize direction. Brighten your main subject and darken the trails to maintain focus. Now your image feels alive, energetic, and dynamic, perfect for sports, dance, or action photography.